Welcome back with another video. Here to talk about the tax preparer income challenge. This challenge is for tax preparers who want to make money in this awesome career industry, but don't necessarily want to be a tax preparation business themselves. If that's something you want to do, I want to hear from you. You can reach out to me at 773-365-9823, or you can also email me at info@workwthomas.com. The choice is yours. I'm looking to take 5 people to work with for the upcoming tax season. It will be a financial investment involved because we're talking about making money together. And so for me, you must commit financially with your time, your money, and your talent. And so 5 people I'm going to take on to work with them and with me for the upcoming tax season. I want to get you ready during the summer, fall, and winter months. So when January 2025 comes, you are properly ready, you're confidently ready, and you have a strategy on how you're going to go out and make money along with me helping you do that. So in this tax preparer income challenge, we're going to teach you basic tax preparation training. All the training I do, I use training materials straight from the IRS .gov platform. I go there, I order the forms and publications, I have them sent straight to your home, or I give you the option to do that yourself by sending you your email with instructions on how to do that yourself. The choice is yours. We learn professional software training basics because the software we use will be professional. Uh, we'll talk to you and educate you on starting a tax business, what that looks like, what's required, to see if that's something you want to do later on down the road. We talk about the pros and cons of having being a tax preparer working for a company versus being a tax business working for yourself. The pros, of course, is the income potential for you is higher as a tax business versus a tax preparer working for a business, and uh, that's the that's the uh, pro if you decide to take the next steps to becoming a tax business down the road. The con is working with me. Your income is going to be limited based on how well you go out and promote your business. That's the bottom line with that. Because I don't have people that I'm hiring to get to do work. I'm working with people to train them up, to educate them so they can be their own boss, regardless if they're working with me or not, regardless if you decide to get your own tax business or not. My approach and perspective is hiring, working with you to give you the skills needed to go out and make money and show you how to do that independently of counting on someone else to help make it happen. And then professional credentials, tax attorneys, CPAs, and enroll agents. Those are the 3 professional common statuses that you can work towards becoming. The first 2 takes degrees. Tax attorney is a law degree. CPA is a accounting degree. CPA had to take 4-part exam uh, to be able to become a CPA. An enroll agent is a federal license. It's administered by the Department of Treasury, and so it covers all 50 states. It covers individual taxation, business taxation, and administrative. And so those are the 3 options as far as professional credentials. And so my job is to educate you on the bigger picture to see if that's something you want to embark on down the road. But maybe you just want to get started. You want to make some money in this industry. You want to get some experience in. You want to get educated on what's really happening, what's really going on, and what role you can play in it. Because, see, the tax preparation industry is a broad field of knowledge and information that we can never use all, we can never learn all. So we want to find a particular niche to work on and make money from. And so we all start from 1040 individual tax prep. That's the baseline for everybody. I don't care who you think you are, we all start from there. From there, you learn how to master that, become knowledgeable, skillful, make money, grow, and then as you work with me, I get to educate you on the different paths you can walk down. The next path after individual tax preparation knowledge and skills is business returns. Business returns are considered partnerships, S corps, C corps, and we have specialty returns And so it's several different types of returns in general that you can learn how to do other than the first three I just mentioned. And so we got uh, estates, you know what I'm saying? That's a type of return you can learn how to do. We have gift tax, you know, we can learn how to do that. You know what I'm saying? So it's other tax, nonprofits, 990. So it's other tax returns you can learn how to do. And that's why this industry is so broad. The information is so massive that you want to pick a side. You know what I'm saying? That side being we all start with individual 1040 tax returns. We get good at that, become knowledgeable with that, and we get educated on where we can go from there. And you get to choose what path you want to go down from there. And then and the logical path for a lot of people is learning how to prepare business returns because business returns take more knowledge, more skills, more understanding, and it allows us to make more money from that. So that tends to be the next pathway for a lot of people. But like I said, you get to decide. And so I'm going to educate you over the next 16 weeks on what it's going to be like to be your own independent tax preparer working with a company that's going to allow you to make more money working for yourself with someone than working for a company as an employee. As an employee, you're already capped at the hourly wage and you're already capped at how many hours you're going to give you. And I worked for Jackson Hewitt for 6 years, and the best preparers made the most money. So if you wasn't all that great, but they needed you to fill a seat and they were busy, that's why you're there. When it got slow, you went home first. When the season started to dwell down, you went home first. So I was the best tax preparer at the location I worked. So I started in January and I worked as long as I could based on the clientele we had. And that's how that works when it comes to being a knowledgeable, skillful tax preparer working for a business, is that they best make the most and they work the longest. Taking that same concept and working it for yourself, being an independent tax preparer, partnered up with me where I'm giving you access to professional software that's going to allow you to do returns as many as you can go out and get. And I'm working on connecting with some people that have marketing skills that's going to help with the lead generation process of getting us clients who are looking for tax preparation work done during tax season. So I'm working on those things, and hopefully uh, by the time December 31st get here, I've been in connected with someone who can help me make that a reality for the upcoming tax season in January of 2025. So that's going to be an exciting uh, situation to be in where me working with someone who can help us get clients is going to be a game changer with this program. And that's going to be, at this point, no additional investment. So the investment price is going to include me helping you get clients well, along with you going out and getting your own clients as well. Don't simply just count on me to get your clients. You want to be able to go out there and spread the word and let the world know what you do and how you help, and let them know you work with someone who's going to help you make that happen. Because see, people already know you knew the business, so not to leverage someone you're working with when it comes to this business model or any other business model is not serving you. So you want to be able to help someone do business with you who might know, like, and trust you already, but they know you knew, and they leery and they need a reason to go ahead and do business with you. And the fact that you working with someone who's been in the industry for 23 years, 17 as a business owner, is going to be the reason why they say, okay, let's do this. That's the that's what they need to hear. That we know you knew, but you're not new by yourself. So leverage that. Let people know. Spread the word. Get your business cards out. Get ready. So, like I said, I'm only taking 5 students for this special uh, challenge to work closely with me to help you learn tax preparation training basics, professional software training basics, uh, how to start a tax business, the pros and cons of both, professional credentials, all that. When it's all said and done after these 16 weeks, uh, you're going to be ready to make money in 2025 of January. The investment is $995. I do have payment options. The payment options are simply this: 3 payments of $335. That's how that works. So I'm letting you know that up front. If you have any questions, concerns, and 99% of all people I work with do, Don't hesitate, again, to reach out to me at 773-365-9823 or email me at info@workwthomas.com, and I'll see you in my next video.